Hello and good day, traders. Hope you are enjoying the weekend. This is the first time I am doing this pair analyzing, and I'll do it in a way so you understand what is top-down analysis, where we do the analysis from the higher time frame to lower time frame and try to visualize what happened during the process of market unfolding for the last couple of years or months whatsoever, and link that to the current price situation. And you can see we don't have any data before here before 2005. I think the last the earlier data here is up to 2004, so we are not considering anything to that. But to visualize first, we need to start somewhere. So if you see that on monthly pattern, we can see very clearly that this is a range bound for a long time. The AUD and JPY. So we like to put it in some different color, so we understand what is going on. This is the range we have. And first we define the range, then we define actually what is the half of this range. So this is half of the range, and so this is what happening now for since, if I'm not wrong, since 2008. So market went up, came down, market is going bullish again. This is the situation at the moment. If you look into that here we don't have any double top in the month. Here we have this little guy. If we consider this green and this red and this green and this red, we have a double top here. But that double top has been broken here, I think. Even I will try my level best to draw and see what is happening. First, I would like to consider this double top. It is far back in 2013 to 15, but even I would like to draw here first to visualize where we are heading actually. So first let's draw the double top here on monthly, and let's bring it up to here because we have to analyze the current price. That is our ultimate objective, and to decide what is going on. This is the place. And sometime I have been asked, if it is green red, why do we consider the top price? Where do you consider? First of all, we always consider the shadow tips of the red one as the top price, but to see the depth of the market, sometimes we have to consider the green one also, because it is what happened in this particular month, that on November 14, 2014, the price went up to here, then it came back, opened here and started going bearish. So to see the depth of the market, we should at least consider this shadow, the tips, higher tip of this shadow, at least. If not this one, at least we should consider this one. So considering that one, I would like to cover up to this, so we understand this is the depth of the market from where the market started. Has made a double top here in monthly time frame in 2014 to 2015. Make it red, and we would like to mark this with significantly with two red straight lines, so we understand the zone of the price very clearly. So this is the zone of the price very clearly. Now this double top has created this bottom. This is the bottom. My question is now, what created this bottom? Who created this bottom? Why this bottom has been created here? Why the bottom had not been created much lower, or let's say much higher? Why? Again, in double bottom, we consider this shadow to be very considerate. But here again, to see the depth of the market, how much it has went down, then it started coming back. We covered this red shadow rather than the green shadow, because it is where the market played. and market came down up to this position, then it started retracing and got bullish, closed here, the candle opened in the next month somewhere here in April 2020, then it started getting bullish. So if we don't consider this, next time when the market will come back somewhere here, we will not be able to understand the depth of the market and we'll miss it. So this is one thing. So we are considering this red one rather than this green one. Of course you can consider this green one, it is up to you, but I do consider this red one. So if I do see this guy, if I take back, where do it does lead us to here, but here we have red and green, but it is in the body. So let's move to weekly. Can we find anything in related to here which can relate us here? Can you guys see that there is a green, this green guy has created that double bottom? Is it clear to you guys? Because we need red, green, and we have the same here. We have the same here, this red and green. So sometimes you can consider this one also. It's up to you, but I think we have to go much because there is nothing here. Then I have to move to a lower time frame in day, and again if I need to find out something here, there is nothing, then I have to go to 4 hours. So I prefer to see the market depth. At the same time, the market depth I need to consider. At the same time, if I find it in a week, I would like to go with this one. So let's go, let's do it. Let's see what is the depth of the market here. We can see that if we see this guy and take it under consideration as a weekly double bottom. Let's go guys. Yes, we got it here. So this is what made the double bottom. Okay guys, this is the place what made the double bottom. Some cases some people can do it here also, I don't mind, you can do it, but don't miss the market depth. I hope you understand, because whenever we say about double top, double bottom, we have to measure the price range, you understand? So if we see this double bottom now in weekly, we need use this color. This is our color, and to mark the total zone, I would like to put it like this and this, and let's go on this. Okay, now getting back to monthly time frame again. So this is our double bottom and this is our double top. This double top created this double bottom. Now this bottom, why not we mark these things a little bit more so we can understand what we are doing rather than getting lost in translation. Okay, this is the double top we have, and this is the double bottom we have found in weekly. Okay, now after measuring this was the middle, the market started moving up. Now do we have any double top here in monthly time frame when this came in? You can see that we have double top. Can you guys see? If we consider this green and this red, again if you consider this green and red, we have a double top from here. So actually it is not a double top, it has formed a triple top. Let me draw it so you guys can see. This is the monthly time frame. If we draw, let me draw this. So make it red again. For monthly we use the red color because it's a very significant thing. So first we got green, red, excellent. We got green, red, green, red. So each time it is creating top. Again green, again red, failed, came back here. Again it tried, again red. This is another So a lot of time it has tried to break this zone, so let's I would like to if we consider all of them, then this is the zone. Actually this will be the zone to cover all of them. But if we pick up the best, the higher one, we have only this one actually, guys. This is the thing we have actually. This is my way of analyzing things. So I will put it like this. This is the zone we have. From here, the price is getting reaction. Can you see, guys? From here, most of the case, I would like to cover a little bit here so it doesn't left that much empty. This is the zone actually. Can you see, guys? I'm not drawing it properly. Hold on. This is actual zone. You see, each time it get into this zone, the red one. Let us analyze a little here. So we got this area, no problem. Now let's draw this one, and this analysis will be a little bit lengthier, so bear with me so you can understand what is going on. So if we cover the whole thing here, now you see this green candle went up and again closed here. Then this red candle pushed the price here or maybe up here. Then it got back here and closed here. Again a green candle tried to push the price, failed, came back. Again a green candle tried to push the price, and you can see here the each time when it pushed the price is created lesser peak, and that pushed the price back again into this zone. Do you guys understand how things works? It is giving you, and this rejection was the confirmation that the price is not going high anymore. This rejection, hold on, this rejection, it was the final confirmation that the price is not moving anywhere at all. Hold on, I made the box a little bit bigger. I don't know why. Out of nothing, I shouldn't do that. Ah, yes. So this rejection, this candle rejection confirmed us that the price is going down, and it did go down, and then again it started going up. So now my question is this: that if we see the whole picture in context of the initial, that this was the bottom which created this double top. I don't think it is a double top anymore. It is a multiple top. And once a zone, the price hit a zone multiple times, that zone becomes weak, very fragile, very weak, and that is the biggest concern here. So initially it was the thing, and if you measure at the top from here to here, you know that price supposed to come back here. After making this, it's supposed to come back here, but it didn't. The price didn't came back here. However, it is called the primary double bottom, but there is a secondary double bottom. If we visualize here, we can see that there is a secondary double bottom is working here. This red, this green, this red, and this green. In monthly, if we consider this a double bottom, can you see, guys? Red, green, red, green, red, green. So here it made a double bottom. This red, this green, and these two greens. Let me visualize you guys. Can you guys see this green and also this green? So it made a double bottom here again. After coming back to this area, and when it get down here, it made a double top in the 50%. Can you see, guys? Here, here, here. From these places, this green and red we can make. Or do you want to see it properly? Hold on, let me show you in detail so you can understand. It made a double bottom here, double top here from this zone, and it pushed the price back. And if we measure that even let's see how far the price has been pushed back. So if it made the double bottom, it didn't push the price that much. So after making this double top, it pushed the price back here, it made a double bottom here. And officially, if we consider this double bottom, I'm not going to draw this because it is not our concern at the moment, but as the current price is the main concern, so I would like to visualize in context of the current price. So if we do a double bottom here in monthly, this is the double bottom we have, and if we draw the line here, this is the actual line we should draw. This is the thing, and the box should be a little bit more like this. Yes, okay. So you can see now very interestingly that from here to here it has already made this top and came back, tested the half of the total range. Can you guys see? Or I should increase it a little bit more so you guys can understand. So it was the double bottom which created this peak. This is the place where it has been created, the double bottom in monthly, and it created the peak. Here is the peak we got here. Okay, this is the peak we got. And if we now measure the thing from here to here, this here, you can see that the price has been pushed back here. Just it covered the 50% area. But my question is very clear. Why the price has been pushed up to here and it has stopped coming down more than it started going bullish from here? So again, let's mark this area. What pushed the price here? This is a very significant area I would like to test. In weekly, no, we have nothing here. In daily, do we have anything here? In daily, no, we don't have anything here. Do we have anything? No, we don't have anything. Can you guys see? I hope you understand what I am talking. What created this? I want to know. So if we go to 4 hours, now we have to check, and that's a very difficult job. But now if you see, this is the most interesting part. In 4 hours, if we mark this area, this zone, okay, if we let me make it a little bit bigger so we understand what is good. So this is the thing which stopped the monthly thing to go down further. This was the area. Okay, so I want to see what happened here. So if we see in 4 hours, this is the market depth. So if I put the range here, from here to, where is it? This is the range here. Okay, so if considering the top one, now we can change its color because we don't find it in any other time frame. Okay, we didn't find in any other time frame. Now if we go back on the left side, what happened? We need to see. We need to find out what is happening. You see, nothing is here. In 4 hours, we don't have anything. Now, let's get back to 3 hours. I want to see what is happening, to be honest with you. What is the guy doing? Who controls the price from here? 3. Where is it? Don't go, please. Where is the price? I don't know. Okay. No, I don't think we can go that far in this place. Sorry guys, I'm using this free software which doesn't allow me to go. I don't know whether I'll be able to go far back, and still we can see there is nothing. So this is a big question. What made this price? If we go to again 1 hour, I don't know whether they will allow me for this much of. They don't allow more than 20,000 candle. I don't think so. You're up, plan. I'm sorry, guys. So ultimately, what I wanted to say is there was something on the left which created this issue. Maybe if we see something like this in 4 hours, maybe something like this candle, or if we see that we in lower time frame we could have been seeing some action here, maybe. Anyhow, coming back to our current analysis, let's do it. Let's go to day time frame so we understand anything. So this bottom created this top. Now this top, after creating this top, if we again see that this top has been created, why here, we can check it out in monthly, why this top has been created, why this top has been created. Now let me show you guys. We have a double top here already. So if we go to weekly now, we can see we have the same double top in weekly too. Can you guys see? If we squeeze, this is the place. This red guy is after this green plate. So, but because if we have the same double top in different time frame, we will consider all the way to the higher time frame, not lower time frame. So considering that, I'm not counting on the weekly double top here, rather on monthly. Coming back here now. So this is the situation we have. Can you guys see? This is the situation. So it fulfilled its journey. If we see this one and this guy, can you guys see? Interesting. Is it interesting that it has also fulfilled its journey of this double bottom, the in 4 hour, which we try to find, that it has fulfilled its journey of 50% here. I beg your pardon, it went up more than 50%, and again it straight, it created another double top here. Now it came down here, but if we measure the range, we can see that it is operating on 50% of the actual range, and it came back, retested the 50%, and it started move on. And the reason it failed beyond this was this guy, this single candlestick. This guy was responsible to create this uptrend. This guy didn't allow any single candlestick of opposite color in a bullish trend is very powerful. At the same time, any candlestick of opposite color in a bearish trend, that is a green candle, is a very powerful. So it came back, retested this area, started going up, came back, didn't retest anymore, it went up. So considering the current situation, we have a double top here also. Can you guys see? So as it is in the monthly frame already within the zone, I didn't want to consider it anymore. Now the catch. The catch is this. If we go to day, we have a beautiful thing to measure and understand. Guys, can you please concentrate very well so I can make it clear? Can you see, guys, that this is a cup and this is a handle? So if we do that, let's put a marking here, and I would like to put this marking in a different color so we understand this is the cup neck. Let's put it in yellow. No, it doesn't looks good. Let's put it like this. No, it doesn't look good. So what we should do, let's put it black. So coming back here, in day we have a cup here, very beautiful, and we have a handle. Okay guys, Now see, the beauty of this thing is this: if we measure it from this neckline of the cup to the bottom of it, can you guys see? The handle has perfectly matched the 50%. Isn't it beautiful? Once you understand the market structure, once you understand the double bottom, double top, once you understand the pattern like cup and handle, and once you understand the neckline, it looks very beautiful. Okay, so this is a cup, this is a handle. The handle has fulfilled its journey, just 50% of the cup, which is the most optimum place, and again it started going up. And now if we analyze further, we will analyze this portion only at the moment. So if we analyze further now, you can see that it is going up, coming down, going up, coming down, going up, coming down, and all these places from here onward, going up, coming down, going up, coming down, going, let's say, let's not overlook this, coming down and going up, coming down, going up, coming down. So apart, except for this, which broke this one but didn't broke this one, it is going making higher high, lower low, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. This is the confusion I got, but it has come, it is done already. So higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So it clearly indicates that in day time frame it is in bullish mood, at least from August, no doubt about it. And the biggest thing is this: it has broken the neckline. Can you guys see? This is our cup's neckline. It has broken the neckline. In daytime frame, it tested for 1, 2, 3 days. Can you see, guys? Sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4 days, and it didn't fail. It failed to break this line, or actually this line is the line where we should consider. It failed to break. It failed to break this line. If it had broken this line, then we have to think otherwise. And now it is getting bullish for the last 3 days. I mean Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. So it is my opinion now, my way of thinking, that it will be bullish. And if we measure the depth of the cup, let's measure the depth of the cup from the neckline, to the bottom. And if we move it, it will start working like this. Yes, I think so. The 50% almost coincide with the first and foremost double top we had here. You guys see? This was the first double top, then this bottom we had in weekly, then this is the double bottom created, and the double top is in this. So actually more than I mentioned, multiple tops has been made here. So going back to day time frame, we can say now that this is the place where we should concentrate. This is the place we should concentrate. Let me change it a little bit so we don't match up everything with the same color. Okay, and it should come down a little bit more. Hold on guys, things are not Yes, that is the thing. If we measure, yes, that's the thing. So we are right now here, and what we should do, how to take trade here, that is the question. So my way of thinking is simple. Let's get rid of this, or we can keep it here for our note. So what made the price came back from here to here and put it back here, or came back here and pushing it back? So these are the issues. But as far as price action is concerned, if we go to 4 hours, we are seeing some action in bearish side. So it has already broken the neck, undoubtedly retested here, and it is trying to act on the depth of the cup. Now this is the depth of the cup we have I just already mentioned. So my way of thinking, wait for another 1-2 days. In 4 hours time frame, or maybe if I will say 4 hours time frame, maybe this is the zone it will retest, or maybe it will retest the neck again. If the neck is not broken on the downside, take the trade. Take the trade. So if for any reason I want to take the trade, how I will do it? Let's put it in context. I will take the trade somewhere, to be honest with you, here. I'll put a limit order for long here somewhere. So it will come retest, maybe a shadow will be created, then it will start going back and taking all the liquidity from here. So there is 2 options. One, it will come back, retest, move upward. The second option I have is this. If this liquidity is not enough, then it may come back here, my dear traders. It may come back this zone, you understand, or maybe this zone, or this zone. I don't know. This is the place where I am a little bit confused, to be honest with you. But I will not take any bearish trade. I mean, I will not short anything. That is my suggestion. I will prefer not to short anything. So this is that's it for today for AUDJPY, and I should draw it a little bit. Yes, that's it. That's the place I told you. So let's put it here. That is a better conservative estimation, I think. Yes, either it will come to retest this thing, and here the chances are more, because the fair value gap will be mitigated. At the same time, a very good liquidity is lying here and here also. So take a trade, most likely for conservative 9680, and for the guys who are a little bit aggressive in trading, you can take trade based on the price action here going something like this. If it is goes up, down, up, and came back something like this, and go for it. The moment you see this, that the green candle and the red candle fail to break this line, because there is no retest. Can you guys see? Because first time when it went up, it tried to retest and it broke the neckline and got bearish. And again it went up, now it retested here, but I need a retest with a red candle, not with green. I need red. I need a single red candle somewhere here on the above. Only then I will take the trade on the top of this neckline, this black line. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Thank you for bearing with me. I took a lot of time to explain so you guys can develop the skill to analyze yourself. Take care. Bye-bye.